How to install Instagram in iPhone 12. So if it's not iPhone 12 and you want to start using the Instagram app on your iPhone 12, then you first need to download and install the Instagram app on your device. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to install Instagram on any iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the App Store on your iPhone. Now, once you open the App Store, you want to click on the search button at the bottom right. Then here, go ahead and search for Instagram. Then click on the Instagram from the pop. Go ahead and click on the Instagram icon on the screen. Now, if you've not installed the Instagram app on your iPhone, then you should see the get button instead of open. Then go ahead and click on the get button. Once you hit the get button, you'll be prompted to tap install from pop or press the side button twice, after which you then need to type in your Apple account password. And once you type in your Apple account password, just hang on. And then you should see the Instagram application installed on your iPhone. And once the installation process is completed, just go ahead and open the Instagram app, and then you can now sign into your Instagram and then start using it. So that is basically how to install Instagram in iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.